2015 BMW 7 Series 740 Li. Aluminum sport alloy wheels, jet black paint, tinted windows, dual chrome tipped exhaust, powered trunk opener, very well kept tan leather interior, BMW carpeted floor mats, rear shade, vanity mirrors for the rear, and climate controls. Memory driver and front passenger seat settings. Heated and cooled front seats. Premium audio system. Navigation. What you know about the Sirius XM satellite radio, free for 90 days. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, lane departure, smart cruise, all the up-to-date safety features, power folding rear side mirrors. Just under 120,000 miles. And we've even got a sunroof. Come by and see us at U-Cars.